Give your leathercraft projects the final touch they deserve with the Master Tool Power Edge Burnisher. Equipped with both a sander, perfect for leveling edges between pieces of leather and rounding corners, as well as a wooden burnisher to give your edges a smooth, professional look and feel. Setup and operation is simple. The Master Tool Power Edge Burnisher comes fixed to a plate, which can be fixed to your workbench with a clamp. Simply hit the power switch to get things started. How you decide to slick and burnish your edges can vary from project to project and from leather to leather. Here are a few pointers to help you get started. It's generally advised to give your edges a slight bevel beforehand. This can help prevent your edges from mushrooming during the burnishing process. Prior to burnishing, you will want to apply a thin layer of either gum trag or toconol to the edge of your leather. Veg tan leather burnishes well with either gum trag or toconol, while chrome tan leather burnishes best with toconol. Once you've applied the product to the leather, burnish using the wooden roller, making sure to hit the entire edge. You can then apply another layer of product and burnish again, and repeat this process for even glossier edges. If you plan on dyeing your edges, first apply a bit of water and lightly burnish with the machine. Apply the dye to the now lightly burnished edge. Allow it to dry, then apply your gum trag or toconol and burnish again. Edge work is a time-consuming yet vital part of any leather project. You can achieve consistent, high-gloss edges in a fraction of the time it would take to do it by hand with the Master Tool Power Edge Burnisher.